Hey everyone, and welcome to part 3 of how to make your own carbon fibre slam panel. So just to recap, in part 2 we took the fiberglass skeleton that we made in part 1 and we laid our carbon cloth on it, we applied the resin, we sanded it, we cut the holes and we got it ready to go to the body shop to be lacquered. It's now back from the body shop, all lacquered. This is the final piece to go on the car. So drum roll please. And here it is. And it looks fantastic. I cannot believe how well this has turned out. Like the finish, like the edges, like how straight it is, how flat it is. It's also rigid enough now, and where I painted all the edges to hide all the different layers of things before it was lacquered, that just looks brilliant. And yeah, the backside is great. It's just a thing of beauty. I am amazed at how well it's turned out. Even Daniel said you've done quite well with this, which is you know, quite a compliment. So now we can get it fitted on the car. I need to make 2 holes in it to mount the screws up for it to screw into where the headlights go. I'll show you that in a sec. But yeah, let us get it on the car and then bask in the glory of the thing that we've made. There we go, install done. You can see it all kind of lines up, looks good. Got a little screws in here now. Got some clips on the way for this, that's why this is loose. But everything sort of lines up here and looks nice. And this is all kind of free and clear on there, looking good. So yeah, that is how to make. Not sure if I would have been able to do it or not, but turns out I can. That's how to make your own carbon fibre slam panel from scratch. Might have a go at doing some other stuff in the future. It depends. I do want a carbon bonnet and a carbon boot lid, but maybe that's a little bit too big a project to take on. Who knows? Wait and see. But yeah, thank you for watching.